How to allow access to Agr-restricted comments from app in direct message on Discord. Hello guys, how are you today? I will show you how to turn on this option. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe in our channel. So let's start. You go first and you open Discord. After this, when your Discord is opening guys, you will just go down here and click on your profile. Then you will go to privacy and safety, and then you will go to allow access to restricted comment from apps in direct message. You will just turn on this option by clicking here on this icon like this, and that's it. It will work with you. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.